how to know who visited my Snapchat profile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to know who visited my Snapchat profile. First of all, open the Snapchat app. After opening up the app, tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Then, you can check out that you have a public profile because it will enable your location. Now, get back to the camera page and then choose the location icon from the bottom left corner. If your location is off, then click on settings icon from the top right corner and tap to turn off your ghost mode from here. After that, you will be able to see who searched your profile. Those people will appear on the maps and you will be able to know who they are. You can change the maps options as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.